colleagues, and to everyone in the gallery, to the media. My boss in this session hall, our boss, the Honorable Vice Mayor, J. Melchor Kitain, my colleagues, the partners in public service, guests, and my dear Davaoenos, maayong adlaw kanatong tanan. 9 years ago, I walked into this hall with a lawyer's mindset. Pareha ni Sweet o ni JR o ni Luna. My head full of ideas and your trust on my back. Over those years, we have debated, amended, poured our hearts, and sometimes agonized over each and every line of every legislative measure, knowing that each line affects and shapes the people outside these halls. Together, we ensure that women, children, senior citizens, members of the marginalized sectors, and each Davaoeno have a louder voice in the crafting of city policies and legislations. These wings belong not just to the people in this hallowed hall, but also to the barangay captains, civil society, the workers, city staff, and the Davaoenos who showed up, spoke up, and worked with us for the betterment of our beloved city. Our work, though, is not done. It is never finished. Davao is a growing city, a fast-growing city. And with growth comes challenges, traffic, rising expenses, climate risks, and even some of that social media noise that can drown honest conversations. Fresh faces will take these seats soon. Kanitanan na itong likuran. They will need the same grit our farmers show at sunrise, and the same heart our frontliners show at the height of COVID. My advice to them is simple. Just like how we lawyers are trained, stay in the arena. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "The credit belongs to the person whose face is marred by dust and sweat, who tries, fails, and tries again." It is easy to stand on the sidelines and complain. It is harder, but far more useful, to roll up your sleeves and solve problems with the people you serve. I owe a deep debt to my family, Nadia sa likod ng ban, who waited through long sessions and meetings and still greeted me with a smile. to my staff who turn rough drafts into working laws, and to God Almighty, who kept me steadfast in my mission and standing when coffee could not. I stepped out now as an ordinary citizen, ready to cheer, to question, and to help however I can. May we all keep daring greatly for this city we love. Sa pamilyang Duterte, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Sebastian Duterte, Congressman Pulong Duterte, to everyone, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tabang o pagtuo sa inyong suporta na gihatag kanako ug sa amo ang pamilya. Padayon kitang tanan ug mabuhay ang dakbayan sa Davao. Daghang salamat ug dalay ng Diyos.